Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet on laptop. So first, to use Google Meet on laptop, you have to head over to your browser and use the search engine. I can see in this video the search engine in this video is Bing, so that's what I'm using. That is my search engine. So just type in Meet Google, Meet Google. Click on enter. Then Bing will provide the direct website to Google Meet. So just click on the first option, which is the first link, which is meetgoogle.com. Exactly, that's it right here. Right here you can create a meeting. We have meeting. You want to create a meeting with a client, or you are a student, you're working on a project, and the project with other members of the group, and you need to talk to them. You can easily use this Google Meet as a means of communication. You can voice call. You can make a voice call meeting with anyone or anywhere at any time using Google Meet. So if you want to create a new meeting, just click on this new meeting icon. Right here you have a free option on how to create a meeting. The first one, you can create a meeting for later. You can start an instant meeting, and you can also schedule Google Calendar meeting. And that's it. That's how to use Google Meet on laptop. Any video helpful?